Hey, everybody. A question that you want to ask yourself is when it comes to prospecting, when it comes to current clients, a question you want to ask yourself is how hard am I to replace? Do my clients or my prospects see me as a commodity, or do they see me as something that is value add? And this is a really intense question because if they don't see you as value add, it's because you have not clarified your value and or your message and or the benefits that you provide to them. And so I really want you to think about this question. How hard am I to replace? And if you're really, really hard to replace, then still take it to the next level. But if this question, when I ask this question to many, many of my clients, they really stop and pause and think about it and say, that's a really good question. And it forces us to look at our own business. It forces us to slow down and ramp up and clear up our messaging, the questions we're asking clients, the value that we add in every element of the business. So ask yourself that question and then reverse engineer the answer. Have an amazing day and always think big.